Hi students, welcome to Unit 11. We will be working in a collaborative experiment for this particular unit, researching cloud-based image editors, also choosing one that you'd like to experiment with. We're going to generate three major functions, saving before and after photos, as we have done quite a bit in the last several units. Also, we're going to provide overview on the skills that you've gained, talking about whether or not they were more difficult or maybe provided a little bit more ease and usability. Were they user friendly? And then share photos with your peers. So I've got use the image editing resources that I provide for you. It's here it's a PDF document, and it has several options for you to choose from. It doesn't mean that you can't do your own, obviously. I encourage you to survey the landscape yourself. And then what you'd like to do is you want it to make sure it's a source that is accessible to all of us, and not one that we've done already in the course. And then choose a photo or composition that you'd like to retouch or create. Choose a minimum of 3 major functions that you'd like to use, and then retouch your image. Upload both the original and the edited photos to the submission link for credit. That's here, seek, play, and swap. And then post the URL of the site to the forum so that we can all, in this forum here, it'll say forum, so that you can all access it and play around. Sharing our ideas. So if you have questions, let me know. Have a very productive week.